Okay, so this is the second BerleyPro thing I'm doing today. So it's the BerleyPro Jig bucket, 45 millimeter. It comes with a jig bucket. You got spots right here you can hold the jigs. It's already pre-drilled out and it's got a drain hole. And it comes, oh excuse me, and it comes with the screws. So if you're not familiar and this is your first time, the Hobie compass right here, if you feel, you know, right here where the tracks are, basically it's lined up with almost this screw, but you'll feel a little indentation right here and right here. And what those indentions are, it's for these, the top parts. So if you put this here and this here, it's going to line up and it's going to be exactly where it's supposed to be. Now, there's no other, you know, indentions or anything. So it would not hurt to pre-drill your holes. I'm going to try it without pre-drilling. So, you know, I can see the hole, I can see the indentation. It's right there. Alrighty, that one started. I'll come down here, put this in that indentation. And it started. Now, working on plastic, I don't tighten up with the impact wrench. I always go in and tighten it down hand tight. If you use too much force, you can strip these out. And if you strip it out, it really won't be watertight. Doing it this way, pretty much when it threads itself in, it's also creating a seal. So, all right, I got those in. Let me see. So, go down here in the corner. Got that one in easy. You know, just be patient. If you go at this stuff too fast, that's when you can mess up. And if you're putting this on the other side, which would be the right side, you need to reach up under inside the thing and make sure you're not going to hit your rudder cable. I bought this Kayak used and it has a mat pocket on the other side, but I reached up in there when I put the square hatch in, and I do have a screw that's really close to rubbing on the rudder cable. So I'm going to go in and either take the screw out and shorten the screw down so it's flush, or I'm going to put something on the back of it. I'm not sure yet, but if you're putting it on the right side, make sure you watch out for that. Watch out for your rudder cable. Alright, that's tight. This one's tight. This one's tight. This one's tight. Alright, there's two more. We're going to see if we can do this blind. Alright, excuse my head bending away for a minute. Alright, simple enough. Now just tightening them down. Sorry I hit the tripod. I have a different workbench, but right now my garage is a mess. So I have this little cheap one, but don't have nothing on it, so it slides. All right, so there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 screws. Just like I said, line up these first two first, because they're already it's got a little divot there for you to start. Then just go around it, and you can see it's nice and flexible. This is the jig box. They also have one that has a place to store pliers and fish grips, I believe. And with this, my square hatch still opens. So there you go, the BerleyPro Jig box, and